If I show you this,
need to see what the Lightning made. Show me.
If I show you this, can we still race?
Yes, I'll race. I'm okay with losing. That's fine.
369, 442.
442.
So
you make like
I got a little bit
50 pound-feet of torque more.
I got a little bit more horsepower than you though.
And torque.
So then we can lay yours over. Yeah. You got more RPM though.
I just need to hope you don't have traction.
I think you need to put a Hellcat blower on it.
I think I actually could arrange that.
That sounds pretty sick. Make like a little 550, 600 wheel on pump gas and just, it'd be like, whoop, 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 whoop.
Before we do this race, we are going to take Fred from the dyno. We're gonna go and do some street tuning so that we can dial the transmission in, because I need everything I can get before racing this Lightning. We're gonna be 320 wheel horsepower versus 370, and his made for what, 440 pound-feet of torque. Ours made 285, so we're overpowered here a little bit. I need the proof before, just so we know. This isn't fair, right? This is not a fair race. I'm gonna, I mean, power-wise, okay, let me ask you this. We're flipped, there's money on it. That Lightning pulls up, you see the dyno. How confident would you be that you're about to lose this race in this truck?
I mean, I'd probably go grab that nitrous bottle.
Riding in the Lightning though,
Okay, I'm gonna get dog walked. Oh my, yeah. What in the world? I'm gonna get walked. Stomped, dog walked, shit on. Yeah. But maybe you won't get traction and I'll be, you know, out. Crazy bracket car.
Damn it. There's that thing. It kind of feel like that's kind of fun.
I don't know if it's more fun than the Lightning, but I was about to say it's cheaper than the Lightning, but I definitely think I've put a good bit of dough into it.
I mean, the original motor combo might have been cheaper than the Lightning, but
Dollar for dollar, I am. All right. Well, after your little, how much more confidence did you gain? There was already like a 75% chance.
This always happens where I'm just like picking on people.
Oh, feel free. These aren't race cars. You can roast this as much as you want.
No, this is my daily. Well, this is my second daily.
This is technically my second daily also.
Yeah, this is a heavily modified vehicle right here. This has an engine swap.
You're right.
Definitely gonna need to order some coils in. Yeah, we are once again cooking.
Same one. Maybe we can get one good pull though.
Yeah, I mean, we just did a couple and seemed all right.
It should be okay. What do we have here?
This is my 99 Lightning. She's, I don't know, she's not the cleanest, but pretty clean. It runs really good.
Sleeper.
It's pretty much stock. Now,
Pretty much. That's a dangerous terminology that you just used, basically.
I have long tubes and a porta blower to put on it. I just haven't had the time. But, I mean, that's a stock pulley, but it does have a lower. It's got a lower down there, which is just a 4-pound lower and dirty, colder intake. That's it. That's all it's got, and a tune, because I tuned it. But, and a MAF, but, you know, that's like supporting mods, so, you know.
Doesn't count.
Doesn't count. And it's got a green belt. It did make a lot more power and torque than yours, though.
Yeah, it did. I thought maybe my luck was going to be the fact that we're doing a dig and mine's so slow, but then we just did a little burnout, so. I don't know about this one.
This will definitely spin out of the hole, for sure.
I think I'm taking the L.
Yeah, it'll be fun, though.
Oh, it'll be a great time.
Yeah.
What do you guys got? You got to comment now, no cheating. I feel like everybody's got this one down. 1988 C2500 LS swap versus 1999 Ford Lightning, heavily modified, basically a race car.
It doesn't have AC, so therefore it's a race car.
And you think this is fair? Fred is about to get walked. All right, I'm gonna set you guys up. I'm probably just gonna get a nice clip of him. Actually, straight past us. It sounds so sick. It sounds so sick.
1, 2, 3.
Bro, that was so close. That was such a good race. Why was that such a good race? Oh my gosh. That was such a good race. Why was that such a good race?
Dude, that was so close. That was sick.
Oh
I mean, I pedaled it a little bit.
Oh, come on.
Because it was spinning. And then I laid back into it and I'm like...
I just stayed through the burnout until I finally hooked.
Yeah, I lifted because you know how fishtaily it gets, so...
Yeah.
But like, I only barely pulled around you.
That was a good race.
Yeah. That was
Fred's
fun.
making that was really fun.
I could tell that 1-2 shift was nice.
Oh, I was sitting there holding. I was
Yeah.
like, please don't neutral drop, please. It held. Let's go.
I mean, the only other thing we can do if we wanted to do a roll, we can do a roll.
I'm down.
Yeah.
That
You
one I
can't
feel like
command a gear down, right? So
I don't think so. I'd have to just mash it.
yeah, we'll
So
just
maybe
do
go
like
off
20, and then we'll just do the same thing. Like I won't lock a gear. We'll just let it downshift and do its thing.
Yeah.
What up?
Yeah,
that was fun.
That was really fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's try that.
It took a little while for the airstrip to be clear.
It
but,
did. Yeah,
once it was clear,
Mexico had a lot of
air traffic.
Air traffic.
Yeah, but
yeah. So what do you think? 20?
yeah, we'll just do a 20, and we'll just do like a 1, 2, 3, and
20,
we'll just
1,
let
2,
both
3,
of them,
mash it, let it-
downshift and do their thing.
Yeah. All right, let's do it. And 20 roll now. We both spun off the hit, so it should be a little bit easier from a roll. We'll see. The dig, I had a small chance, dude. I was right there. I'm surprised. I'm pleased. I am pleased that Fred is holding up with a Ford Lightning. I'm okay with this loss. I still think Fred's a sleeper. Come on now. That's sleeper. That's sleeper status. I'm coping hard. Oh, I would have beat that guy. I am okay with the results.
It's a lot closer than you thought.
It was 100 times closer than I thought. I am pleased with the results. We're holding up with a Lightning.
Yeah.
Now, let me ask you this. If it were a bone stock Lightning, how much closer do you think it would have been?
It would have been door to door.
Ah, see, that would have been a good race. Why'd you have to go and do the lower pulley?
See, now, I will say, this is not excuses or anything, but you know how I said like that first hit where it spun sideways? That was non-heat soaked. And then it kind of just, because I have a pretty aggressive timing retard considering the stock heat exchanger and intercooler pump isn't the best. So it probably pulls like maybe 30, 40 horsepower out. No,
Yeah,
it's not an excuse.
I was pretty heat soaked too. It's just
It was
side
so
by
good.
side. That
Even
is
the roll
crazy.
was still pretty good too.
I was surprised.
Yeah.
I was pleasantly surprised. I said, I think maybe I can still classify it as a sleeper. You wouldn't expect this to be able to hold up with that until you look deeper into what's under it.
So now you do some more mods.
Oh, Lord.
I do some more mods.
No, I used
Because I already got my mods. I got a ported blower and long tubes ready for it.
I don't have any of that.
You got a Hellcat blower coming.
Where are you pulling this from?
Jeff said, he said he got you, right? Or you didn't have that conversation yet?
I have a company wanting to offer me a free twin turbo kit. It may not be Precision's.
In my experience with turbos, you either do it right or don't do it.
It will be professionally installed.
Hellcat blower, dude.
I gotta know in the comments. What do we do? If the video goes crazy enough, we'll do whatever.
Yeah, this video is gonna go viral for both of us, and
If
then we're gonna
that's
buy
the case,
Lamborghinis or something.
yep, and then we'll go back out to Mexico and see whose Lamborghini is faster.
That sounds like fun.
Yes, this is a win. I like that. All right, boys, Fred made it home from our dyno day, race day, just an overall Fred-filled day. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We definitely got to come back swinging. Andrew, Mustang Lifestyle, wants us to throw a Hellcat blower on this thing. I guess there's a guy on TikTok that has a adapter for an LS. I don't know about that one. If enough of you guys want it and the Fred videos are going nuts, we'll look into it. But right now, I'm pretty happy with how the truck sits. I'm happy with how it performed against a Lightning. I mean, come on now. And a not bone stock one at that. Huge thank you to Andrew. He helped me out a ton today. Number one, it wasn't just a simple dyno. He did do some tuning. I didn't even know he was gonna do that, but he does tune for Holly. So he went in there, messed with it, fixed Fred up a good bit, because we didn't really mess with the tuning. So we did that. He helped me fix a couple parts that were not really working. Found out some parts were catching on fire. You know what you guys wanna see next with our boy Fred? I'm thinking we gotta see what he actually runs quarter mile at the track. Probably should get some actual tires first because these are dry rotted. Surprised they didn't explode today, but hey, we made it another day. Hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely did. If you guys want to see Andrew's POV, because he did film in the lightning also, make sure you go check out his page. That's gonna wrap up today's video. Make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already. But that's gonna do it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, good night.